Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Steam if it won't log you in with the correct email and password. Okay, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and go to the bottom right, click on date and time, or right click on it and click on adjust date and time. All right, make sure that the correct region right here at the top right is selected. Okay, once that's done, just go back. Now, make sure that both a set time zone automatically and set time automatically is toggled on. And then once that's toggled on, click on sync now. Wait for the process to finish. And once done, check if it helps. Now, if that still won't work, go ahead over to your search bar right here and type down Windows Defender Firewall. All right, we have Windows Defender Firewall right here. Just click on it. Now, on this page, just go to the top left, click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click on it. Now, go ahead and click on Change Settings. In here, just go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find Steam. As you can see here, I have Steam and the Steam Web Helper. So what you'll do is just make sure that both private and public are ticked. Okay. If you can't find Steam in here, just click on Allow another app, click on Browse, and then here go to this PC. Locate where your Steam app is installed, but normally it is installed on local disk C, program files x86, double click on it and go ahead and find Steam. Double click, scroll down and find steam.exe. Head on open and just click on add. I'm not going to do it again because it's going to give me an error. Okay, error because I already have Steam in here. So once that's done, just make sure that both, again, private and public are enabled and hit on OK. Now, after that, close this one, go to your search bar and type down %local app data %. Okay, open up this folder like so, scroll all the way down and find Steam. Here, right click on it and just hit on delete. Okay, once deleted, go ahead and restart your computer. And once that's done, open up Steam, log in with your account, and you should be good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.